Without passion, nothing great in the world can be achieved. Our belief is that the power of purpose lies in building communities and nurturing environments. The goal is to leverage human resources and aspirations. The goal is to pursue courage and change. Aman, we are the spirit and passion of each of the 12,000 people who work together, dream, and build future together. Sustainability is not something we hope for, but rather something we build into our practices. Our emission water treatment and renewable energy system will take us forward to becoming energy positive by 2030. Our role in this world and history will be determined by the service we provide, not by our achievement. We ensure our diverse communities are safe, empowered, and are given tools to be the innovators and architects of a sustainable world. Our practices, commitment to the earth, and hard choices will drive as a driving force towards the business of ethical fashion. We believe in ourselves. We believe in our next generations who are joining in this industry with knowledge and passion to take forward this RMG sector in Bangladesh to a new height where people and planet will be on top priority and make a sustainable world for our future generations.